Welcome to Pro News Flash. Crypto was boosted late last week. What's the outlook from here? Let's dive into the latest developments. The cryptocurrency market added 8% over 7 days, stabilizing at the $2.7 trillion level since Saturday. A move higher could bolster hopes for further gains, but these expectations will only be confirmed after a solid consolidation above the 200-day moving average, which is now near $2.97 trillion. Market sentiment has moved out of the extreme fear area into the fear area, reaching 38. The index has been in the range of 18 to 45 for the last 7 days, showing positive dynamics and supporting the improvement of market sentiment. Bitcoin continues its cautious rise, trading above its 50-day moving average and reaching $85.7 thousand in an attempt to reverse the downtrend. Interestingly, the 200-day average is quite close, so a second confirmation of a trend change could come quite quickly. From a pessimistic perspective, Bitcoin appears to have entered a zone of strong resistance just as the momentum from its initial rebound begins to fade. Solana has added 20% over the past 7 days. From a technical perspective, this is an attempt to get back into the bull market. Solana is recovering faster than many of the major altcoins, trading at its 50-day moving average near $130. A consolidation above this level will open the way to $145, the area of previous peaks. A sustained move above will signal a break of the downtrend and could lead to a move towards $180. According to CoinShares, global investments in crypto funds fell by nearly $8,000 million last week after outflows of $240 million a week earlier. Bitcoin investments were down over $750 million. Ethereum was down $38 million, and Solana was down $5 million. But investments in XRP were up $3.4 million. CoinShares noted that recent tariff changes have led to record outflows of $7.2 billion, effectively leveling out almost all of the inflows since the start of the year. Call options on Bitcoin at $100,000 were the most popular on the Deribit platform, with a total open interest of nearly $1.2 billion, according to CoinDesk analyst Amkar Godbole. The $70,000 put options were the second most popular, with $982 million in open interest. Project Mantra's Mantra token, OM, collapsed by 90%, and its market capitalization dropped from $5.5 billion to $765 million. The crypto community suspects fraud, calling it the biggest rug pull since the collapse of Luna and FTX. Stay tuned to Pro News Flash for more updates on the crypto market. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.